Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your DNS on your network for your PlayStation 5 Pro. So we want to go up to the top and go to Settings right here. Scroll on down to where it says Network. Then let's go to Settings and go to the right and go to Set up Internet Connection. Now find your currently connected internet. So I can see I'm connected to Miss Beast, and I'm going to press Options on it. And then I'm going to go to Advanced Settings. And I can see everything under here. Here are the DNS settings right here. Let's go to manual and then type this in. So we got two of them. I can show you just 1.1.1.1 for the primary. Then let's go to the secondary and type in 1.0.0.1. And you could try this one out. Now the second one you can try is 8.8.8.8. Then 8.8.4.4, and then we can go on over to OK, and it will connect to this, and then you can do a connection test on the other screen after it connects to the internet. So we can back out and go to connection status and then test internet connection right here, and then we can see the upload and download speeds for our network right here. So it'd be really quick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.